You're getting to be a big boy.
I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm Caillou. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm Caillou. My world is turning, changing each day. With Mommy and Daddy, I'm finding my way. Growing up is not so tough, except when I've had enough. But there's lots of fun stuff. I'm Caillou. Caillou, Caillou, I'm Caillou. That's me.
Caillou's water park.
Hi, Mr. Mailman.
Hi, Caillou.
I'm the new mailman. Neato! Daddy, I'm the new mailman.
You are? Good job.
Daddy, what's this?
It's a brochure for a water park. It's like the swimming pool, only bigger.
Can we go? Please? Please?
Sorry, kids, but it's too far away. Tell you what, though, you can deliver this letter to Mommy.
Okay.
Caillou was sad he couldn't go to the water park.
Mommy, look what we got in the mail.
Wow. Looks like they've got lots of neat stuff there.
Can we go? Can we please?
Not today. We'd have to plan a special trip. But it sure is hot. Why don't we have our own water park?
Our own water park?
Let's see what they've got. Look, a picture of a rainbow. We've got one of those. See?
Caillou was amazed that Mommy had made a rainbow, just like in the picture.
How'd you do that, Mommy?
It wasn't hard. And making our own water park wouldn't be hard either. Want to give it a try?
Okay. You have to keep your eyes closed.
Okay, I've got them closed.
Me too. Okay, you can open your eyes. We're here.
Where are we?
We're at Caillou's Rainbow Water Park. See?
Wow, look, Rosie, a rainbow.
Rainbow. Before you come in, you have to pay.
Okay, here you go.
And as our first customers, you win a prize. What prize do they get?
You get sprayed with water.
Rosie, go spray Daddy.
Rosie, do it.
Okay, I think that's a big enough prize for Daddy. Time for the water game.
Yay! You have to get the ball past the tree with this. Rosie, too.
It's your turn, Rosie.
Stand near the ball. Hold tight.
Wow.
Yay! My turn, Daddy, my turn. Caillou! Yay!
You did it. I think you should get a prize.
What do I get? What do I get?
You get sprayed with water.
Caillou liked how he and Mommy had built their very own water park. Gone fishing.
Time to get up, Caillou. We don't want to keep the fish waiting.
Caillou was getting up extra early because he was going on a fishing trip with Daddy and Grandpa.
I'm gonna catch lots of fish.
I hope so, but sometimes even a good fisherman only catches one.
A really big one. We don't need lunch, Mommy. I'm gonna catch a fish this big.
Are you sure you don't want any? It's peanut butter and grape jelly.
Yum. Okay. Grandpa!
Hi, Caillou.
Hi, Grandpa. Your hat is funny.
I always catch fish when I wear this hat. That's why it's my lucky fishing hat.
I hope you have better luck than last time. You didn't catch anything for dinner.
You didn't catch anything?
Even if we don't catch any fish, we'll still have lots of fun, right, Caillou?
Caillou was surprised they needed so many things to catch a fish.
It's as tall as me, Daddy.
Yep, it's the perfect Caillou size.
Here's your own lucky hat, Caillou.
Now Caillou felt like a real fisherman. Caillou noticed that the feathers on the wall looked like the ones on Grandpa's hat.
See, Caillou? These are lures, and these are flies. They're for attracting fish, so we can catch them.
I've got the bait.
Worms?
Fish love worms. It's like peanut butter and jelly to them.
Ribbit, ribbit. Look, a boat.
Uh-huh. They're going fishing too.
Caillou thought that the fisherman could catch lots of fish with such a big boat.
A fish, a fish. Come back, fish.
You won't catch fish that way, Caillou. We have to use our fishing rods.
Oh. When are the fish coming?
Shh, Caillou, you don't want to scare them off. If you're quiet, I'll bet you can hear all kinds of sounds.
The more he listened, the more sounds Caillou could hear.
Birds.
That's right, they're seagulls. Can you hear anything else?
A dragonfly. Look, that man caught a fish. Why did he put it back, Daddy?
It was very small, so we let it go. That way, it can grow into a big fish.
A little later, Caillou was getting frustrated because he still hadn't caught anything.
Oh, where are the fish?
You have to be patient when you go fishing, Caillou. Sometimes you have to wait. See? Look how patient Grandpa is. He's a master fisherman.
Grandpa!
Let's have some lunch. Then we'll go for a walk.
It's the boat we saw before. It's coming closer.
That's right. They're bringing in the catch of the day.
They caught all the fish. That's why we couldn't find any.
Maybe.
P.U. It smells.
Those seagulls like the smell.
He took one. Where are those men taking the fish?
From here, it goes to the store where people buy it and, cook it for dinner.
Caillou wanted to catch a fish and bring it home for dinner, too.
Let's fish some more, Daddy.
Hi there. Still no luck. I'm just about ready to give up for today.
Just a little longer, please.
Okay, Caillou.
Caillou concentrated really hard on staying still. Suddenly he felt a tug on the end of the line.
Daddy, Daddy, a
Okay, Caillou, let's try to reel it in.
Oh, boy, look at that.
Aww!
Caillou was disappointed that the fish got away.
Well, it was a pretty small one.
We can come back and try to catch it when it's bigger.
Caillou decided he had fun fishing, even if he didn't catch anything.
All that fresh air made me hungry. I can't wait for dinner.
But we didn't catch any fish for Mommy.
I have an idea. We'll make a little stop on the way home.
Huh? Hello!
Hi, sweetie.
It's for you, Mommy.
Wow, what a big fish.
We caught it at the store.
Hey, don't give away our fishing secrets.
Oops, I forgot.
The water goes round.
All right, we need some more cars over here. Okay. Vroom! Grandma, can you come play with me?
Sure, but first, how about if you play with me? We can wash these clothes together.
That's not a game.
It is when I play it. First off, I need a big truck to move this laundry.
Me! I can be a big truck.
Okay, Mr. Truck. I need that bag of laundry pushed down the stairs.
Beep, beep, beep. Vroom.
Good work, Mr. Truck. Vroom! Now, I need all the colored clothes over there. Ready? I spy with my little eye something that is purple.
I see it.
Caillou liked Grandma's washing the clothes game.
Now, somehow, we've got to get this soap moved into the washing machine.
I want to do it. Beep, beep,
Now, push the button to get it started.
beep.
What game should we play now?
I like this game, Grandma.
Me too. But we have to wait while the clothes take their bubble bath.
Caillou thought it was funny that the clothes were taking a bath just like he did in the tub.
I win.
You're a good player, Caillou. You know what? I think the washer should have stopped by now. Let's go see. Calling Mr. Truck. I need help to move the clothes from the washer to the dryer.
Mr. Truck here.
All done. Close dryer door, please, Mr. Truck. Push the button. Now the buzzer will go off when the clothes are dry. We need to listen for it.
Oops. Grandma, the buzzer! Look at me, Grandma. I'm wearing Grandpa's shirt.
Here, Caillou. You remember how to fold, don't you? Good job.
Caillou was proud he could fold like Grandma.
Now, where's the other red sock? Top to toe and over I go, into a ball just like so. Top to toe and over I go, then into a ball just like so.
Mommy, I helped Grandma wash the clothes.
Wow.
Can I wash clothes with you at our house, Mommy?
Sure. And I think we'll start with that messy shirt.
Oops.
Caillou's test drive.
Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. The car needs to get by, Daddy.
Okay.
Caillou thought the car sounded like it had a terrible cold.
Is our car broken, Daddy?
I think maybe it's time to take it to the garage for some repairs.
Actually, how about we all go take a look at some new cars today?
Wow!
Caillou had never seen so many shiny new cars before.
I like the red one.
Nice choice, young man.
We're just looking around. Maybe you can give us a little tour.
Why, certainly. Follow me. What kind of car are you looking for?
One that's not broken.
Door open.
Caillou was surprised that a car could talk.
Door open.
Open,
Door open.
open.
Door open. Door open.
I think you two make enough noise on car rides as it is.
Can we look at that one?
Door
Sure, come on. I'll show you.
Mommy, see!
Wow!
It looks like a house in there.
It's just the right size for you, Caillou.
Caillou thought it would be fun to live in a house on wheels. Caillou was having a great time looking at all the different kinds of cars.
Where's the roof?
It's called a convertible, Caillou. The roof comes off.
How about I take us for a test drive?
What if it rains?
Good question. Watch what happens when I press this button.
Wow! Wanna see my car?
Wow, nice set of wheels. Here's a price list. Just let me know if you're interested. Nice meeting you all.
Bye!
Wow, new cars sure are a lot of money.
Can we get the car with no roof, Mommy?
Maybe next year, Caillou. I'll bet our car can be fixed up so it's almost as good as new.
I'll call our mechanic.
Caillou was happy when he saw the car coming home from the garage.
Yay! We got our car back!
Yep, it's all fixed now.
Oh,
What's the matter, Caillou?
now my car is broken.
Looks like it's time for another repair.
Thanks, Daddy.
A very good swimmer.
Look, Daddy, I'm a fish.
A very big fish.
Caillou! Rosie, too!
Oh, the water's just right.
Ha! Mommy, see! There's too many people. I don't have enough room to swim.
I think Caillou's right. Who'd like to go to the public pool?
Rosie!
We'll see you in a little while, Caillou.
Here, you dropped this. Thank you.
Caillou had never seen a wheelchair up close before.
Mommy, is that a big wagon?
No, Caillou. It's called a wheelchair. That girl sits in it because she can't walk like you and me. Shall we go swimming now?
Yes!
Caillou saw the girl swimming underwater. He wanted to try it for himself.
Mommy, the water gets in my nose.
Oh, that's all right, Caillou. There's no harm done.
Hi, my name's Tammy. I'm Caillou. You swim like a fish. That's right, I do. Do you know how to swim underwater? No, it makes my nose itch. Do you ever put your face in the water and blow bubbles? Yes, I can do that. Watch me. That's great, Caillou. You stay there and watch what I could do. Now it's my turn. You're a good swimmer, Caillou. Look at me!
Here, swim towards me.
It wasn't so easy after all. But Caillou was determined to do it.
Did you see, Mommy? I can do it!
I knew you could do it, Caillou. Oh, I'm very proud of you.
You did it! Now we both swim like fish. I have to leave, Caillou. Bye! Did you see me, Daddy? I can swim under the water now.
I sure did, Caillou. Swimming like the big kids.
I had a lot of fun today. Are you coming back tomorrow? Sure, I'll be back. Here, I want you to have this. Thank you. It'll help you swim underwater. I'll see you around, okay?
Tammy seems like a very nice young girl. And a very good swimmer.
Uh-huh. And I'm going to practice to be as good as she is. Mommy! Mommy is great. She takes me to fun places like the beach. Mommy says it's fun to try new things. She likes it when I draw her pictures.
It's beautiful, Caillou. Thank you.
And I like it when she tucks me in at night.